Hey guys, this is Ben from Smart Money Minds, and today I'm going to be going over a quick review of the technical analysis for a Cronos Group short play that I made. So looking at this chart here, Cronos has earnings tomorrow, so we see that there is a pretty significant run-up of about 3.5–4% today. But you know, a lot of people are buying in and thinking that earnings will be positive, but I personally think that earnings are usually a gamble, so I try to stay away from it. But that doesn't mean that you can't play it the day before, playing this uptrend. So what I'm looking at here is these purple lines. What I'm seeing here is a double top of 1863. This is the Canadian side. And this is a bearish divergence double top on the uptrend. So as you see here, it led, because of this double top, it led to about 1.5% drop in consolidation before continuation. So I didn't make this trade here, but I was looking at it and I was seeing that there was another double top here, and this is the trade that I made. So it was 1889 and 1890, and this was an entry here. So I made an entry for a short at 1888 with a stop just about 1890. I think it was 1892 or something like that. But because it was a counter trend play and the whole day it was running up to 8 and 12 EMA, so I looked at my exit plan and I saw that this would be testing the lower Bollinger Band. In the 5-minute, you see here, I was going to exit around 1879 with the 12 EMA here. And on the 15, there was nothing there. But I made an exit plan at around 1877. And so it did drop to that range. And you see here, double top, bearish divergence on the 2 minutes. I exited at 1877 according to my plan, and you see that it continued to go uptrend and top out at 1920, almost 1930. So I took my plan into action and I made a quick 11-cent trade for a pretty decent profit. I mean, it was only about 0.5%, but it's pretty good for considering you're playing counter trend. So this, for myself, it was probably not the best play because it was a steady uptrend all day due to earnings tomorrow. But as you can see here, you can always play counter trend as long as you have a good exit plan and also a very smart stop loss, or else you can lose a lot of money. And this is the technical analysis for Cronos Group today. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to more of these videos, and we'll see you next time.